Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Coin Coin. Its price prediction this year mega balloon because friends right now I can see 28% pump in Coin Coins. This is awesome. Okay, recently due to tariffs news dump in the entire crypto market, all meme coins for dump and also Coin. But right now I can see 28% dump. So this is good performance from this meme coins. And already this is because BNB ecosystem meme coin. Okay, so listed in Binance Future, but friends, it's really possible that this meme coin can be next listing for Binance also because already we have Baby Doge coin, we have Mubarak coin, we have Broccoli, these BNB ecosystem meme coin listed on Binance. So it's possible that Coin coin can be next listing for Binance also. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Combine current price 0.02 $0. You can see friends. Okay, a few hours ago, meme coin was trending here $0.017, but right now a massive pump in this meme coin, 29% pump right now. So this is good. And right now, mostly BNB chain meme coins are pumping. You can see friends, 12.2 million market cap only. So right now we can say that this meme coin is in massive dip here because few months ago this meme coin was in I think 90 to 80 million dollars market cap. But right now only 12 million market cap, 10.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is no doubt amazing, friends. 1 billion supply, 605 in circulation. So this is good. BNB ecosystem meme coin, you can see friends, Binance Alpha Spotlight, made in USA project, Dog Theme meme coin, and this is son of Shiba Inu. Okay, I will show you later that you can see friends, we are 90% down the install time high. Though December 10th, 4 months ago, $0.19. 90% down the install time high, but it's still 532% up the install time low also. So this is good performance from this meme coin. And friends, MEXC, Gate.io, Poloniex, CoinX, BingX is listed, Bitru has listed, and Pancakes because this BNB, DEX, you can see Bioeconomy, MEXC, KuCoin, BitGet, and Gate.io is listed. If you not have Gate.io and MEXC exchange account yet, I provide you both central exchanges. Links is in description where you can get all newly launched base meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Just like Comainu is still not listed on Binance Spot, not on Coinbase, not on Kraken. But before that, before listing on these exchanges, you can buy this coin from MEXC and Gate.io. So you can check out the description. Both exchanges links are provided already in description. Friends, I can check out all further details on their website. Comainu make BNB great again. So this is good. You can see friends, Comainu, son of Shiba Inu, the predator of BNB. The dog theme meme token built around the community-driven decentralization and adaptation. So this is good. You can check out all further details. That this is BNB ecosystem, Dog Theme meme coin, and its partners are Pencil Finance, Binance Alpha, Spolite, Flokify, GWF Left 4. Okay, that is just like we have Solana ecosystem in Sunpump. So we have BNB in 4. So this is good. Binance Futures is already list this coin. It means that maybe in coming few months when crypto market will recover, when we see a massive boom for meme coin, we can see its listing in Binance Spot. And if Comainu list on Binance Spot, then definitely this coin can skyrocket here. I can see friends, protector of BNB chain. This is the meme coin, Dog Theme meme coin, successful team, safe and secure and audited. Tokenomics, I can see zero buying selling tax for this meme coin. Contract is announced and LP is locked forever. This is good. You can see friends, total 1 billion coin supply, fair launch allocation 28%, burn is almost 9.3%, so it's almost 40% supply is burn. So this is good. 12% for marketing, 10% for liquidity, and 5% for doubt registry, 5% for team, and milestone burn 0.6%. Okay, so 0.6% supply is still left to burn. So this is good. This is really good that in coming maybe few months we can see more supply burn here. That will be 0.6%. This is good because already 40% supply is burned. You can buy this meme coin on dexes just like PancakeSwap. You have to download Trust Wallet, and after that you can buy BNB from Binance Exchange or MEXC or Gate.io. Then you have to transfer it in Trust Wallet. After that you can swap, okay, into Comainu. Friends, these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed in Sport, MEXC, Gate.io, BNB, LBank, and these all central exchanges. And this meme coin is also listed in Bybit Future, in Binance Future. You can see, friends, Binance Future is already list Kraken futures is already list, HTX is already list. So it means that maybe in coming few months we can see Koma Inu listing on Binance and Kraken sport also. There's some other news on their channel, so this is good. 44,352 holders for Koma Inu coins. So friends, you can see number of holders good. 44,300 holders for Koma Inu, that is good. And on their website they were saying there is 40% supply is burned. So you can see friends, this is good. 39.4% supply is burned. $7.9 billion worth. Okay, right now we are 90% down than its all-time high. This meme coin is almost on its all-time low, and it still is almost $8 million worth tokens are burned. So this is amazing, friends. You can see Pink Cell has 15% of supply. Gate.io, BitGet, and another Gate.io exchange account holding 7, 6, and 4% of supply. So this is good. PancakeSwap, that is a DEX, okay, holding 4% of supply. Comainu developer has only 1.3% of supply. So this is good. The developer has views his token, and team has just 5% of supply. And these are some other, okay friends, Central Exchanges wallet and other wallets. I can see Comainu marketing. So no doubt friends, token is looking good, and there's no any value issue looking here. Okay. And I like most thing about this meme coin is this, friends, it's burning. Okay, its total supply is just 1 billion, but almost 40% supply is burned, 39% already, and we have to burn is 0.6% supply more in future. So this is really really good. Friends, before further details about Comaino, if you not join my Telegram channel yet, you can also join my Telegram channel, link in description. Okay, you have to just click the link given in description and you can join my Telegram channel where I provide you all other cryptocurrencies updates there. Just like I told you about Shiru Niku coin after bread pump, you can see, okay, and Shiru pump more than, okay, almost 30%. Okay, before this, okay, 0.7 times 0, $12. This coin hit almost 14 price here, okay, 0.7 times 0, $14 price, almost 32% pump. I told you about Shiru coin. Here you can see I, okay, told you here after bread pump, you can see friends. So many other updates on my channel you can get in free. Okay, there's no membership for this coin. This is 100% free Telegram channel. You can see friends, on March, sorry, on April 14, on April 14th I told you about bread, that bread is already pumped. Now it's time for Shiru Niku, and now Shiru is also pumping, and many other crypto updates on my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel. And friends, if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I provide you these all my crypto addresses, links in description, and also on my Telegram channel. You have to just join my Telegram channel, click here in pin message, okay, and you can get my crypto addresses here, and you can support Sky Crypto channel by copy these addresses for the next 1000x potential meme coins. Friends, now my price prediction about Comaino in this year's super cycle mega bullion is that we can see its market from just 12 million to maybe, friends, 3 to 10 billion dollars here. It's really really possible because this is BNB ecosystem dog theme meme coin. Just like we have already Baby Dogecoin there, we have Brooklyn recently launched BNB ecosystem dog theme meme coin and Comaino. But friends, Comaino is very different because this is Shiba Inu's son. Okay, this is Shiba Inu Sun meme coin, and already 40% supply is burned. That I like most about Koma Inu, that is almost 40% supply is burned. So this is really really amazing. You can see circulation supply just 600 million. So it's really possible that we can see one Koma Inu coin price up to $5 here. Okay, its current price is just $0.02, but it's really possible that we can see Koma Inu up to $5 in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion, as market from just 12 million to maybe 3 to 10 billion dollars here. Because friends, still we have Binance Sport listing left, we have Coinbase, Kraken exchange listing left here. So it's possible when crypto market will again recover, when we see a massive boom in crypto market for meme coins again, then definitely Comainu can be the next listing for all major central exchanges, tier 1 central exchanges, and we can see its market up to 3 to 10 billion dollars here. What's your price prediction? You can must comment down below.